Hello, my name is Lily Poulik and I am a student from the college Bernard Palissy at Saint Léonard de Noblat. Today I'm coming to you and talking about the Fab Lab and our project here. As students enrolled in the Fab Lab, our job is to design, create and code all of our projects. This year, our goal is to introduce science to smaller kids in between 3 and 5 years old. We are going to ask them to draw and design their own cars, and then from that drawing we are going to produce an actual car with a 3D printer. The challenge is then for us to code and design all of the speed calculators and the material that goes with the race. They get to keep their projects after, and they would have known what it is to manipulate a 3D printer. I chose to do this because science is really something I live for. Later on, I want to become an astronaut, to tell the truth. And so being with people who share the same interests as me, it just makes it really fun and something to look forward to during the week. We're going to work with children so they can share our passion with us for later and to be good students. The first difficulty of this project was, what do we do and how do we actually bring this project to life? And the good thing of having all these different perspectives is that we actually have a lot of different and useful and brilliant ideas which can help and speak to other people. We have artists, video game lovers, sports people, and all these interests but linked with that one passion for science. And if we actually find another difficulty, we'll just work it out as a team. I find the Fab Lab a really good weekly activity, but in this project, I would have improved something else. Instead of making a race and doing only the speed calculators, I would have put in a little more chemistry, chemical reactions, so they can actually discover the actual magic of science. And that was our goal here.
Hello, my name is Mathilde. I am 14 years old. I am in College Bernard Palissy. I am going to talk how to switch from a normal drawing to a 3D one. To switch from 2D drawing to a 3D one, first we color it in black, then using Fusion 360, we made the contour and the actually 3D object.
Hello, my name is Angèle. I'm 14 years old. I study at College Bernard Palissy in Saint Léonard de Noblat. Today, I present you how a 3D printer works and how does it work to create objects from a piece of plastic. First of all, we insert the spool of thread plastic in the machine, just here. After that, the metal thread go out of the extruder to start to create the shape of the object. This software is called Tinkercad. First, you must connect to a class with a password and enter a pseudonym. Then, when we are connected, we have to push on create a conception. After that, we can create everything we want. Finally, we import the STL file on software to start printing. This is the end of my presentation. Thanks and goodbye.
Hi, my name is Louis Bertrand. I'm 14, I'm in 3e 5 and I'm a Fab Lab member. I wrote the code for a project with children and I will explain it to you. Proportionally to the speed of the car, the tachymeter needle will turn and then the speed is announced by a speaker behind the car. The tachymeter is linked to a stepper motor and the whole project is driven by an Arduino Mega card. It also shows the speed on the screen behind the car.
Non, tu étais à 3 km/h, c'est bien.
This project wasn't really hard for me, but it wasn't easy neither. It was a good experience.